If you want your body to look like this, then make sure to stick around today. We will go over how to build an aesthetic body, all from the comfort of your own home. So, without further ado, let's get down to business. We will divide the video into two sections. A routine you can do with completely no equipment, purely focused on bodyweight exercises, and a routine you can do with 2 simple dumbbells and a barbell. So, there's no room left on the table to not build muscle and get shredded. Both routines are beginner-friendly and should be doable for everybody. Before we get to the juice, that is, the routines, let's first get the basics right. Having a great workout routine is only half the work. The other half you need in place is a well-balanced diet. You can train as hard and long as you want, but if you end your day by binge eating a whole bunch of garbage, you will only be sabotaging and slowing down yourself and your progress. The second layer of the fundament is your sleep. The same principle applies as with food. You can train as hard as you want, but if you don't get enough sleep for your muscles to heal up, you will, once again, only be fooling yourself. This means no more binge-watching YouTube videos at 2 a.m. Just go to sleep, bro. Not only is it good for the gains, but your body will be thankful and reward you with more energy throughout the day. That's only if you sleep enough. The amount of sleep that is right for you is different for everybody, but I would recommend getting 7 hours of good sleep every night, and ideally 8. And lastly, make sure you are properly hydrated throughout the day. This is not only good for your metabolism, but it also brings skincare benefits. Routine 1. The body weight routine. With this routine, you will be hitting all the muscles needed to create an aesthetic body. I'm going to repeat myself, but for this routine, you need absolutely no equipment, and it should be very simple. Not easy, but simple. I'll save you the explaining. Every single exercise. To make it easier for you guys, I've created a full 4-day workout routine you can start using at once. It is linked in the description below, and it has side notes on how to use it. Make sure to take a look after the video. It should be pretty straightforward. However, it is important to mention that to see results, you have to put in the work. There's only one person who can do that, and that person is you. On to routine 2, the workout routine with 2 dumbbells and the barbell, also linked in the description. I personally use this routine, and I truly recommend following it if you have at least 2 dumbbells and a barbell at home. Here comes a nice bonus tip. Try to cycle or walk as much as you can. So, when you have to go to work or school, always try to cycle or walk there, even if it is far away. To achieve this, you need to get up earlier, which, you know what they say, the early bird catches the worm. Once you've chosen one of the 2 routines linked in the description, stick with it for at least 2 to 3 months. I don't advise changing up your workout routine every week. This is just ineffective and also not best for your muscles. Find out what works best for you, and then just stick with what works well. That's it for today, gentlemen. Make sure to give our workout routines a try and let us know in the comments what works best for you. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our other videos. Catch you in the next one.